Bangladesh is moving towards one of its crucial elections in decades. After former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's ouster in 2024, the country has witnessed months of political tension, street protest, and leadership uncertainty. Now, the vote is expected to determine who will stabilize the nation and steer it forward.
But this election is not just only about Dhaka's domestic politics, it also matters deeply for New Delhi. So why does Bangladesh election matter to India right now?
Bangladesh is India's largest trading partner in South Asia and a key transit gateway to Northeast India. A stable government in Dhaka means smoother trade, secure borders, and steady regional projects.
An unstable Bangladesh would impact security, migration, and economic cooperation.
In recent times, India-Bangladesh ties have strained. Reports of violence and intimidation against sections of Hindu minority community in Bangladesh have raised concerns in India.
Which is why the outcome of this election could significantly reshape India-Bangladesh relations. And that matters because for over 5 decades, India has been one of Bangladesh's closest and most consistent partners.
Let's look at the key events where India has extended major help to Bangladesh.
In 1971, Indian military backed Pakistan Liberation War, helping the country gain independence from Pakistan.
In 2010, India extended a $1 billion line of credit to Bangladesh for infrastructural development.
In 2017, India launched Operation Insaniyat, providing humanitarian assistance to Bangladesh for Rohingya refugees fleeing Myanmar.
That same year, India expanded its cross-border power supply, emerging as the largest electricity supplier to Bangladesh.
2019, India further extended assistance, taking its line of credit to over $8 billion for connectivity and infrastructure projects.
In 2021, India also supplied COVID-19 vaccines to Bangladesh under Vaccine Maitri initiative.
And in 2024, after being ousted amid mass protest, former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina flew to India, where she has since been living under security.
As Bangladesh votes, the results will not only decide its political future,
it will also define the next chapter in one of the most important South Asian bilateral relations.